Here we come to the elevators at Highcliff in Wan Chai, Hong Kong. These are Schindler elevators, let's call it. Here it is. We're going to 7C. You see our next floor? And here we go. These are the D-series Schindler buttons. Here we are at 7T. Now let's go to 19 and end the video here. See, it's a Schindler. Capacity is 900 kilograms and 12 persons. I do like the beautiful designs on the doors. Here we are at 19. And that's it. Here we come to the parking elevator at Highcliff in Wan Chai, Hong Kong. It's a talking Schindler traction elevator. Here it is. Very beautiful elevator cab. Go to 2 and watch the indicator going down.
Lift 進站，升降機下降。Second floor, 2樓。
Here we are at 2, and these are the D-series Schindler buttons. Now let's go back up to 9 and end the video here.
Lift going up，升降機上升。
As you can all tell, we're in elevator 5, and the capacity is 900 kilograms and 12 persons. And we're stopping on 7. As you can all tell, these are the handicap Dewhurst fixtures.
Ninth floor, 9樓。
Here we are at 9, and that's it.